Hey guys,
it's Joey and Aiden here from the Bro Channel, and once again we are making another video. This one's pretty different.
It's a burping challenge,
and I'm using this beautiful Coke, and I'm gonna drink it. He's gonna video it, and I want to see how long it is. So here we go.
So how many burps are you gonna do?
One. Giant.
Let's see how long it is.
Okay, I'm gonna drink it. It's hard to chug a Coke because of all the fizz and stuff.
You gonna burp?
Ready?
Yeah.
No.
That was 7 seconds.
No. Okay. Think about this much.
Should I count fast or not?
A little bit.
Okay, so knock knock. Butthole. Butthole is yours.
Turn the camera on. Turn the camera.
Okay guys, I'm gonna read some jokes. So, knock knock. You guys say who's there, and then Lorianne. You guys say Lorianne who? And Lorianne is coming down, so give me an umbrella. Okay, I'm not gonna say the other things. I'm just gonna say it. Knock knock. Randy. I Randy whole way there, here. So open up. Knock knock. Fanny. Fanny, you should ask. Knock knock. Walt. Walt, who goes there? Knock knock. Philip. Fill up your water bottle if you're thirsty. Pretty good. Knock knock. Hawaii. I'm doing fine. Thanks, Hawaii doing. Hawaii doing, get it? How you doing? Burp. Who's there? I mean, knock knock. Reggie. Reggie to open the door yet?
I'm almost finished.
Knock knock. Rich. Rich knock knock jokes is your favorite. Okay, he's ready. Bye bye book.
Fling. Okay.
Six seconds. Wait, 8. 9 seconds.
Oh, I upgraded too. More jokes.
Well, I just threw the book across the room.
You know Aiden uses this everywhere? Like, literally.
It's a screwdriver. Don't judge me. I have to go get this book now. Do 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 do. I'm gonna throw this at him. No.
You almost knocked my soda.
No, my problem. Oh, guys, I got Heelys. Not that good. No. You maybe off the camera, you dummy.
How you like me now?
Okay. Knock, knock. Weed. Weed better go home. It's time for dinner. That just sounds weird.
Weed.
Get it, weed.
Smoke.
Get it, weed. Shut up. Knock, knock. One. I want to tell you another knock, knock joke.
Wait, I got one. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Elephant.
Elephant who?
Elephant on your face.
Elephant in my face.
Yeah.
Not good.
That was the best one I've ever seen.
It's terrible. We're watching you sing. Open the door.
Okay.
Ow.
Now move. It's so cool to watch Joey chug a Coke.
Okay, he said he's ready.
Oh, just telling you, Aiden hates soda.
Oh my gosh. You were just about to burp because you made a face. Four seconds. 5 seconds. 6 seconds. 7 seconds. 8 seconds. 10 seconds.
13 milliseconds. I think my longest one was on.
Yeah. Wait, no. This one you just did. It was 10 seconds. It was 1 second longer.
In a row.
Oh, true. So that didn't count.
Okay.
It was 4 seconds long. Knock, knock. Paper's here, dumb. Okay, he has one. Or he's ready to burp. 2 seconds.
That was not.
Yes, it was. Six seconds.
Okay. Well, that's it for the video.
See, he crashed that can.
Yeah. I think my highest was 9 seconds.
Yep.
See if you can do better and tell us in the comments. And our videos are on anything besides girl stuff. Bye, guys.